Hello, my 3D printer friends. I just wanted to show you this awesome print. I did this in 4 hours, 54 minutes at 400 MMS on the Creality Ender 5 Max. This is Overture Easy PLA in stone white. It's absolutely fantastic. I sliced this pretty bunny in Creality Print 6, and since it's a gigantic Ender 6 Max, I did it at 190%. I did 3 walls, gyroid infill at 8%. You will see 8% is more than enough, filling up the bunny with plenty of support, while 3 walls make sure everything on the outer surface is strong and clean looking. Since this is a 5 Max, it's very fast. I set my speeds to 275, 300, and even a whopping 400, and it came out absolutely beautiful. Go ahead and adjust your size and speeds depending on the printer you are working with. Since I have the Creality Nebula camera installed on the Ender 5 Max, I've even got a time lapse for you. Watching the gyroid infill flow in the print is so cool. Let's check it out. Because the Ender 5 Max is so big and so fast, I did this at 190%. It's just shy of 14 inches and it came so beautiful, it actually looks like some kind of stone carving statue. I'll link to it in the description so you can go ahead and make one too.